Applications for the Canadian Dental Care Plan for 2026 and 27 coverage year are now open. If you want help covering dental expenses and you're not sure whether you need to apply, renew, or update your information, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I will explain who can apply, what you need before starting, common mistakes and that can delay your application, and I will show you exactly where to apply. Hello everyone, welcome back on another video and you guys are watching Dhillon Canada. Today we are diving into the detailed video of how to apply Canadian Dental Care Plan application in 2026. I will explain everything you need to know in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below. If you want to watch any specific topic, the viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Canadian Dental Care Plan, also known as CDCP, helps eligible Canadians get dental care at reduced cost. The program is designed for people who do not have private dental insurance and who meet the income requirements set by the Government of Canada. The coverage amount you receive depends on your adjusted family net income and other eligibility factors. The Government of Canada has opened applications for new benefit year, which runs from July 1, 2026 to June 30, 2027. If you're applying for the first time, now is the time to get your documents ready and submit your application. If you already have coverage, make sure you check whether you need to renew or provide updated information to maintain your benefits. To qualify for Canadian Dental Care Plan, you need to be a Canadian resident for tax purposes, have filed your most recent tax return, not have private dental insurance, meet the income requirements established by the program. Always verify your eligibility using official Government of Canada website before you file your application. Before starting your application, have the following documents ready: your SIN number, date of birth, current address, latest tax information or notice of assessment, contact information. Having these documents ready will make the application process much faster. Now let's move to my laptop screen where I will show you how to apply for the CDCP application, and I will leave the important links in the description down below. Let's see how to apply CDCP application. Open up your browser and type in canada.ca. Choose English. Click on Canadian Dental Care Plan. Click on how to apply. Eligibility requirements, click on this box over here. You do not have access to private dental insurance or coverage. Check this box over here. You and your spouse or common law partner, if applicable, must have filed your tax returns in Canada so that your family income can be assessed for the previous year. Check this box over here. Your adjusted family net income is less than $90,000. Check this box over here. You are a Canadian resident for tax purposes. So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੁਣ green check mark ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ eligible ਹਾਂ। Click on apply now. Applications are now open for 2026-2027 benefit year. Guys, ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੋ options ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ application file ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਪਹਿਲਾ option ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ applying using my service Canada account ਤੇ ਦੂਜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ applying using canada.ca, ਬਟ ਆਪਾਂ choose ਕਰਾਂਗੇ apply using my service Canada account. Guys, if you already My Service Canada account, then click on GCP username and password. But let's say if you account nahi hai, then click on register for an account. Create My Service Canada account. Select the sign in method you will be using to access your account. Guys, you have 3 options ne interact, sign in partner, GCP, provincial sign in. But I recommend choose GCP because ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ username ਤੇ password ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਵਾ. Information you need to create your account. Do you have a social insurance number? Click on yes. Information you need to verify your identity. Guys, ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੋ options ਨੇ। ਪਹਿਲਾ option ਹੈਗਾ interact verification with bank services ਤੇ ਦੂਜਾ option ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ personal access code. ਆਪਾਂ choose ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਪਹਿਲਾ option because ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ easy ਤੇ fast ਆ। ਤੇ ਦੂਜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ personal access code। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਕੋਡ ਭੇਜਦੇ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰੇ, ਬਟ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ choose ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਪਹਿਲਾ option. Click on start your registration. If you are learning something useful from this video, hit the like button. I also noticed many viewers haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe. It really helps the channel reach more people. Now let's get back to the video. Guys, click on sign up. Terms and condition of use, click on I accept. Guys, create your username, your password, question and answers, and then enter your email. So guys, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ SIN ਨੰਬਰ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਫਿਰ ਤੋਂ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਐਂਡ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ SIN ਨੰਬਰ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਆਪਣਾ ਫੋਨ ਨੰਬਰ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰੋਗੇ। ਸਾਈਨ ਅਪ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਾਇਜ਼ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਕੋਡ ਭੇਜਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਈਮੇਲ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਫੋਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਵੀ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਕੋਡ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਾਈਨ ਅਪ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰ ਲਓਗੇ। ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ, ਮੈਂ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ। ਚਲੋ ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਐਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਫਿਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਾ। Click on GCP username and password. ਗਾਇਜ਼ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼, ਜਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫ਼ੋਨ ਨੰਬਰ ਭਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਕੋਡ ਭੇਜਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆਈਡੈਂਟੀਟੀ ਕਨਫਰਮ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਸਕੋਡ ਗ੍ਰਿਡ ਵੀ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਾ। ਉਹ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਜੇ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਊਟ ਆਫ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਿਦਨ ਹੀ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਫੋਨ 'ਤੇ ਨੈਟਵਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ, ਤੇ ਉਸ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਸਕੋਡ ਗ੍ਰਿਡ ਭਰ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੌਗਇਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਸੋ ਰਾਈਟ ਨਾਓ ਮੈਂ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਵਿਦ SMS। Guys, this is my dashboard for my Service Canada account. Click on application coverage, personal information. Apply for Canadian dental care plan. Terms and condition of use and privacy statement. Click on this link over here. Click on these three boxes over here and click on continue. Tax filing. Your tax information is used to confirm that you are eligible for the Canadian dental care plan. Confirm tax filing. Have you received your notice of assessment for your 2025 Canadian income tax return? If you have a spouse or common law partner, they have received theirs too. Click on yes and then click on save. Guys, ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼, ਜੇ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਰਿਡ ਹੋ ਰਾਈਟ, ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਾਰਟਨਰ ਦਾ ਲਾਸਟ ਈਅਰ ਟੈਕਸ ਫਾਈਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਐਲੀਜੀਬਲ ਹੋ। ਸੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਕੇਸ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਪਹਿਲੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਾਰਟਨਰ ਦਾ ਟੈਕਸ ਫਾਈਲ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਐਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਫਿਲ ਕਰੋਗੇ। Click next your application. Type of application, tell us who you are applying for. Add type of application. I am applying for myself. Click on save. Personal information, enter your name, date of birth, social insurance number. Enter your first name and last name, date of birth. Enter your SIN number over here. Click on save. Click on next application. Marital status, add marital status over here. What is your current marital status? Click on single. But let's say if you are married, right? Guys, if you are married, right, then you have to enter the social insurance number of your partner, their year of birth, and then click on I confirm that my spouse or common law partner has agreed to share their personal information, and then click on save. So I'll click on single, click on save. Click on next, your contact information, enter your phone number over here, click on save. Mailing and home address. Guys, enter street address, city, postal code, province, country, and then you can check this box over here, use this address as my home address. Click on save. Click on communication preferences, add communication preferences. What is your preferred official language of communication? English. How would you like Sun Life to communicate with you? By email. Click on save. Enter your email address, add email address. Enter email address. Click on continue. Guys, enter the verification code they have sent you on your email address. Click on continue. 4 out of 4 sections completed. Scroll all the way down. Click on access to dental insurance. Access to private dental insurance, add answer. Click on no, I do not have access to private dental insurance or coverage. Check this box over here, click on save. Other government dental benefits, indicate if you have access to other government dental benefits, add answer. Click on no, I do not have federal dental benefits. Click on no, I do not have provincial or territorial dental benefits. Click on save. 2 out of 2 sections completed. Scroll down. Click on next, submit. अपनी सारी application review करने तो बाद check these boxes over here and then click on submit. After you click on submit, they send the confirmation email on your email address. That's everything you need to know about applying for the Canadian Dental Care Plan for 2026 and 2027 coverage year. If you are ready to apply, check the official government website and follow the steps we discussed today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.